Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe for the nut-free version for the ever popular spicy and tangy lemon rice. Heat 2 tablespoons of sesame oil in a pan. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds sarson, 1 teaspoon chana dal split chickpea and 1 teaspoon urad dal split black gram. Mix. My kitchen is a nut-free kitchen. If you're using peanuts, add them now. Add in 2 whole red chilies broken into 2, a sprig of curry leaves and 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida hing and saute until the dals begin to colorize. Next, add in 1/2 inch piece of ginger finely chopped and 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Saute. Now add in 2 cups boiled rice along with 1/2 teaspoon salt or to taste and 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder haldi. Make sure it is at room temperature and not hot. A day-old rice works best for this recipe. Mix well, cover with a lid and let it cook for a minute or 2. Turn off the heat. Finish with 3 tablespoons lemon juice and 2 tablespoons chopped green coriander leaves. Mix well, check the salt and add more if required. The nut-free lemon rice is ready to serve. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and serve hot. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.